Lesson 1. The time value of money. Part 1. Compounding. Welcome to the Learn Wall Street program. For Lesson 1, we're going to start off with a big bang. We're going to tell you why financial education is worth so much more the younger you learn it, and why it's also a necessity for financial survival. Before we jump into the lesson, let me tell you a little bit about our teaching approach. It all comes down to the difference between knowledge and wisdom. While knowledge is important, it's rooted in theory, and in the stock market, you need experience. Our focus is on both aspects of learning. What I'm about to show you is life-changing information. I'm going to change your relationship with money for the rest of your lives. In the investing world, youth is a superpower. As a young person, you can invest for a really long period of time. When you're able to do that, then you can take advantage of something called the power of compounding. It might sound like dark magic from Lord of the Rings, but it's actually a wondrous thing. So, without further ado, welcome to the world of compounding. What does compounding your money mean? Albert Einstein, considered one of the greatest scientific minds of all time, famously once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Compounding involves continuously reinvesting your earnings to generate additional gains. For example, suppose you invest $100 in the stock market and it doubles to $200 within a year. If you reinvest the entire $200 and it doubles again the following year, you would end up with $400. This process of earning returns on your reinvested earnings is what defines compounding. The graph illustrates an initial $10,000 investment growing at 25% annually over 10 years. Each year, the blue bar indicates the principal at the year's start, while the orange bar shows the profit earned that year. 25% of the initial capital. As time progresses, the orange bar becomes progressively larger. This is because the base amount being reinvested increases each year, exemplifying the power of compounding. By consistently reinvesting profits, the rate at which your money grows accelerates significantly. Over long periods of time, compounding creates a snowball effect. Imagine a snowball rolling down a mountain. What happens? The snowball gets bigger and bigger, at a faster and faster rate. The higher up the mountain you start it rolling downhill, the bigger it will become by the time it reaches the bottom. The further from the top that you start rolling it, the smaller it will be at the end. When you're young, you get to start the snowball at the top of the mountain. With every year that passes, if you haven't started investing already, you will have to start the snowball rolling at a lower point. You can never make up for the time that has passed not being invested.